everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. In today's video, we will discuss about block diagrams in control systems. I have done a video on Introduction to Control Systems. If you would like to watch that video, check out its link given in the description box just below this video. So let's start the session. A system is a collection of components which are connected together for a particular purpose. It will be having input and output. If the system is used to control any parameters in a plant like temperature, pressure, etc., then it is called a control system. So a control system will consist of a number of components. To show the functions performed by each component, we commonly use a diagram called block diagram. This is an example for block diagram. Block diagram of a system is the pictorial representations of the functions performed by each component and also about the flow of signals. So a block diagram will say what the function of each component is and also gives information about how signal flows in the system. Now there are four basic elements for a block diagram. They are block, arrow, summing point and branching point. First let us see a block. A block, or otherwise called a functional block, is a symbol for the mathematical operation that is performed on the input signal to that block. Transfer function in each block denotes what each component do in the system. It is a mathematical way to represent the function of each component. So when the input comes, this transfer function works on it and gives an output. So if input signal is A of S, to get the output B of S, this A of S is multiplied with G of S, where G of S is the transfer function of the system. So you get B of S is equal to A of S into G of S. The output signal from a block is given as the product of the input signal and the transfer function in the block. In control system, the Laplace transform is used for performing all operations. Now the next element is arrow. Arrows indicate the direction of flow of signals. If the arrowhead points towards the block, it will be an input signal to the block. If the arrowhead points away from the block, then it will be an output signal coming from that block. So that is arrow. Next element is summing point. Summing points are used to add two or more signals in the system. It is represented by a circle with a cross. The plus or minus sign at each arrowhead indicates whether the signal is to be added or subtracted. In this figure, it is plus in both places. So, it will be A plus B. Here it is plus and minus. So, here it will be A minus B. Now next element is branching point. A branching point is a point from which the signal is going to other blocks or summing points. Here this is the branching point. This signal A is taken from here and given to another block H of S also. So here you get A into G of S and here you get A into H of S. So these are some basic concepts about block diagram representation in control system. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.